Module 16, Probability Basics, Odds. First thing to remember, odds does not mean the same thing as probabilities. You will hear that all over the place in commercials and everything else. People confuse odds and probabilities all the time. You have to go with a definition in this one. And so we will start with a question that says, if the probability of an event is 4 out of 19, what are the odds of that event? So you hear people saying all the time, well, the odds are 4 out of 19 probability. We will use that term and those terms interchangeably, but we can't do that. Because what we know, the odds of E equals the probability of E divided by probability of E complement. We have the probability of E already. Now we need to find the probability of E complement. So the probability of E complement is what's not the probability of E. So formally, you would just do 1 minus probability of E. 1 minus 4 over 19. And I think most of you will be able to see, and if you can't, you should go back to the fractions unit, that this is just the rest 19 minus 4. 15 over 19. So that's what goes in the denominator there. I'll come back and continue here. So we have 4 over 19 divided by, or over, 15 over 19. Back to fractions. If you don't have your fractions down pat, you're going to have trouble in here. I'm going to multiply by 19 over 15. 19 over 15. The reason I'm doing that, because I want to change this denominator to equal 1. It'll disappear. And here, this becomes the answer. Oh, sorry. The 19s cancel out here as well. And so I get 4 over 15. All over 1, but that 1 in the denominator disappears. And that is how I get 4 out of 15. The shortcut way is just to say, well, I have a 4 here. 19 minus 4 is 15. So the odds of E are 4 to 15.